How to contact Bank of America. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are facing any issue with Bank of America or if you normally have any queries, then in this video I will guide you how you can contact Bank of America. For that, you first of all want to open up any web browser and log into your account. For that, tap on the login option and then enter your username and password. Then tap on the login option in order to be logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to tap on these three lines and then tap on the Contact Us option. Now here you have a list of topics. If you are facing issue with any of these topics, tap on that option to get more help. If you want to directly contact the customer service representative, then scroll all the way down and here you can connect with the Bank of America using Facebook or Twitter. You can privately message them by clicking on the Send Message button on the Facebook or Twitter page, respectively. While contacting them, you will have to privately message your name, zip code, phone number, and your available time. Remember not to include your account number or social security number. If you want to directly call the customer service representative, then tap on About Bank of America below the Contact Us option. And over here, you have the number of the customer care. Simply dial these numbers according to your country and then you can directly contact the customer service representative. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.